So we were talking about SAP installation on the board. Then we installed Oracle database application after that. So now we are going to install the central instance. So I started the program in the master DVD SAP inst program, and I got a screen like this. Let me go to SAP systems because I am going to install a system central instance after installing Oracle. I select the components which I want to install in the NetWeaver. So I am selecting here as at now only EP and the other ones. And during the installation, SAP is going to create a lot of a few system users and Oracle database user, and also Java users and SAP ABAP users. It's asking for the location of this DVD, so let me show. I have copied all the DVDs in the hard drive in a directory called EC, and then I will go to NW Java, and my the requested CD is here, and there's a file called label ASC under this. So computer is going to read that file. The installation program is going to read this file. It's asking for the SID. I already decided on the SID. So the SID is DV1, and I'm going to install in E drive because E drive doesn't have enough space. So must make sure that the drive has enough space. Checking the values. So now it's asking for the password for all the master users, like SAP system users like SAP Star, DDIC, and also operating system users, database users, all the ABAP users in SAP, not Java users. Java users I have to give the password during the installation. So I will give the password. The password is openbook1. It should have one number. So it's checking everything. If I want, I can give separate passwords for system user and service users by SAP. It's asking for the database ID, which I created. I installed the database application some time ago. So I gave the same ID. So I will say DB1. Continue. It's connecting to the database. So now it's asking for the export CDs. First it will ask for the first export CD, then it will ask for the last fifth one, then it will ask for the second, third and fourth. So I will show the first one. First one is under this, under exports. There's label ASC somewhere here. So I say OK. Continue. It's asking for the fifth one. Go to the fifth, same thing, same directory. Go to the fifth one. Fifth one. Select that. Enter. Now it's asking for the second, third and fourth. It's asking for the solution manager key. I already created solution manager key with solution manager, so I will be entering this here. And what I did is I went to the solution manager. This is the solution manager system. Then I went to the product system. Let me show. I'll go to the product system. and then say other object, then I have an option here to generate solution manager key. So I generate the key there, and I'm going to enter here and then press next. Next. So I will say I'll highlight one of the systems. I highlight the system which I want to use. I have created a system called DV1. So in the other object, then I click on this. After entering the solution manager key, it's continuing. Made a small mistake in one character. So now we went to the next screen. So it's asking for the NW kernel in NW 2004 SR1. So I show that here. So it's under, I'm using Windows. So there's a label ASC file here. It's not here, so we have to go further down. Oh, it's here. Okay. So I'll go there. Then the Oracle client. I have to copy all these DVDs in a directory, a folder, so I can highlight them. There's a label file. Then I say next. Okay. I'm not changing the download location when it's unzipped, when the file's unzipped. So it's asking for a Java component. So I have not configured any SLD so that this computer can join the same SLD. So I say no SLD destination. If I say there is SLD destination, it's going to ask me questions about the system landscape. I've almost given all the information, so now it is giving me the summary. If I want to make changes, I should be able to do here. So I'm not going to make any changes. So I will say start the installation. So it's going to install SAP. So many modules to be installed, so it takes a lot of time. Sometimes it may take about 10 hours, 12 hours, because it's an idle system. So depending on the speed of your machine and the memory also may take some time. So if suppose the system stops on error, we will get a log file. It will say that there is an error, then we can view the log file, and then we can go and view the detailed logs and then troubleshoot the problems. That's it. Thank you.